Hey, oh, one on. They come and move now. Ah!
Open, close. Open, close. The engine is Toyota type of engine. But you know, the manufacturer who manufactured for Toyota manufactured for that's why you see idea. Yeah, but very soon we will be rolling it out ourselves. 2.6.
But I want to say on behalf of Inspector General of Police, receive this important gift by Innoson Motor. We want to assure you that we are going to use those vehicles judiciously. We use it, this is what we call Nigerian's contest. The vehicles are made here, are produced here, and we're using them here. Being knowing the rugged terrains we have, and definitely it's going to be of importance to Nigerian police. I want also to assure you that this is just the beginning. The police will patronize you, and police will take you as partners in this fight against insurgents and banditry.
These vehicles are donated to Nigerian Police Force by Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited to help serve as troop carrier for operational purposes and the combat of crime to keep Nigeria safe. It's part of our communal support and building the bridges that connect us in making sure that the country is in peace. We will continue to partner with Nigerian Police Force in making sure that the entire nation enjoy maximum security of lives and property.